Okay, this has now become a two-parter because I had to answer that phone call. That is something medical that I have going on. I won't go into details, but yeah, I've been going through a lot health-wise, so back to our previously scheduled unboxing. Alright, let's try this first, and it is their candle. Twilight Garden. Nothing to do with those books by Stephanie Myers. This is just a beautiful candle. Wish you guys could smell these. They smell amazing. Alright. I'm just gonna throw away all the bubble wrap. Alright. And we got our bath bomb here, and this one is a bee. Cool, huh? Alright. Done with this box. Yeah, I got one more. And then one box after this. And I think I know what this is, and if it is, then or the second one. And I might give it to, if this is what I think it is, then just give it to a sister of mine. That was fantasy. And had her birthday not too long ago, but I might wait till probably, yeah. I already got one of these. I'm gonna give this to Stephanie for Christmas, and I'm gonna unbox it. So that one I'll put somewhere safe and give it to Stephanie for Christmas. Be a nice surprise for her. Actually, I don't remember what size ring she wears. It'll be fine. Alright, unbox. Yeah, I'm just toss all the full wrap into the garbage. Don't need all that full wrap. Okay. More bubble wrap. I promise you there's actually contents in this box. Just bubble wrap. Alright. Okay, here we go. And I have no idea which side is supposed to be up on this. Yeah. I am a chaotic mess. Scissors. This. Like this. Scissors aside. Yeah. Come on, just slipping on the screen. There you go. Okay. This candle. Oh, candle and bath bomb. Okay, gotta be careful. Not either. Alright, set aside. Candle first. Ooh. There's satin candles. Actually, this is. Oh, wait. Okay, so. Alright, we got the coven, and this part is actually. This part's not actually not bath bomb. This. Memory serves. Okay. Gotta be careful that these are full glass. Right. Aha. I knew it. It's the lid. Yeah. So with this handle, this goes on top. candles with lids are really cool. Alright, last one. Okay. Of course, the last thing is being opened. Alright. Go. And yeah, that's the last one. Alright. Yeah, so you know how this is wrapped. It's probably a candle. Could be wrong. Probably not. And it's another candle. Alright. Mercury in retrograde.
There you go.
I'm filming. Sorry. Hi, Mommy. Just filming stuff for my channel, but I'll be ready to go shortly. Sorry. Yeah, got places to be. And that's for a different video. So, yep. All the candles and bath bombs unwrapped. I will store them when I get back. Kind of in a rush, so. And reason for that I will reveal later. So, new to my channel, subscribe, ping the notification bell so you don't miss out, and I will see you guys all later. Bye for now.